Hello, I'd like to spend some time with you today talking about Proteus MMX and Metasys. Eagle Technology has been working with JCI for many years to develop an interface between Proteus MMX and the Metasys system. This is achieved via the BACnet protocol and allows us to gather both asset runtime data as well as triggered alarms that generate work orders. This is all set up under the Proteus settings under the main heading of Alarms. We install a building automation driver on the BACnet network. This in turn routes to whatever IP address or host name that we want Proteus MMX to be running on. And this is all done through web services across the internet. If we take a look at asset current runtime, what we can do here is take a list of devices on the BACnet network, and we can map them to various assets that we have in Proteus MMX. And at this point, anytime that the runtime is updated within Metasys, the runtime within the Proteus MMX asset is also updated. And this allows us within the framework of Proteus MMX to construct work orders that will activate based on runtime values. So these would be preventive maintenance work orders that you want to have activated every X number of runtime units. The second option we have is to straight up generate a work order based off an alarm. So this would be a break fix type of condition. And we're doing the same thing here. We're taking our devices and we are mapping them to a pre-created work order within the system. So what happens here is that when an alarm is triggered in Metasys, Proteus MMX is also alerted. So immediately upon that notification, a work order will be generated containing all of the corrective steps to remedy that situation. And those are the two main use cases we have within Proteus MMX in terms of communication with Metasys. So thank you very much for taking the time to listen to this presentation, and have a good day.